This is the first one. This is the back. Cute daisy keychain. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Stuck in Loops Crochets. My name is Purnima and today's video is going to be about things I have crocheted recently or things I have in stock. So let's get started. These are the products that I have. So let's get started. So first we have crochet wearables. So the top I am wearing is from Granny Gia Tutorial, the crochet baby doll top. So a lot of you were asking for the sleeves tutorial. I have used her pattern for this, but I just made it in half sleeves. So I cannot give you the tutorial for this. You can check her channel. And this is the second top I have made. I think I saw the inspo in Instagram and freehanded this. This is the back and this is the top. This is kind of crop top. So I like the color combination also for this. Now we will start with the flowers. So I have made two sunflowers, one in dark brown and one in lighter brown shade. If you want the tutorial for this sunflower, comment down. I will make tutorial for this. And we have purple rose, multicolor rose. It matches my outfit as well. One pink rose, one red rose, and one multicolor yellow and white rose. So pretty. If you want tutorial for this also, comment down below. I will make the tutorial for you guys. And next I have made tulip bottle cover. I think I am obsessed with purple color, so most of the product I have made is in purple color. So this is the bottle cover, and this is the dragonfly bandana I have made. Uh, tulip hair, tulip hairband. It has little flowers over here. And we have made, and I have made this crunchies. I have tutorial for this in my channel. If you want, you can check it out. And we have more scrunchies in white and red color and in purple color. It matches my outfit. See, I told you I am obsessed with purple color. Now, and I have this one tapestry that I have made. This is side tuck. Now we will move to crochet keychain part. So this is the Squid Game soldier that I have made. I have tried keyring to this project and bouquet. This is rose bouquet that I have made. It has bow. And there is one more bouquet that I have made. Sunflower bouquet. I like this one more. Now I have made this sunflower keychain with leaf, and this is the reversible octopus. Now this is happy. Now this is angry. Very cute. And this is the Snoopy. And this is the Snoopy kitchen I have made. This is a couple kitchen. See, this is the magnetic kitchen. And next we have this bear keychain. This bear is holding a heart. This is inspired from a K-drama. I don't remember the name of the K-drama for now. If you know, comment down below. And one I have made this evil eye keychain. This is also matching with my outfit. One watermelon keychain. I have to add keyring to this also. And one plumeria flower keychain. I have added pearl in this. Next we have this strawberry keychain in pink and red color, and one in red color. I have tutorial for this as well in my channel. If you want to make these strawberries, you can check out the tutorial. And next we have this morpunk keychain. I have two of this. Next I have Afghan flower keychain in pink and white color, one in yellow and white color, and one in blue and white color. I have three of this. And next I have jellyfish keychain. One daisy keychain. I think I will make this in pink color as well. Next I have one more jellyfish keychain in white and yellow color. See how pretty it looks. Now I have one more rose keychain in yellow color. It has little leaf as well. Next we have this Lily of Valley choker. You can also use this in your hair. I have tutorial for this as well. You can check my channel for the tutorial if you want to make it. Next I have this maple leaf. uh, Next I have this maple leaf. keychain, and these small flower keychains in yellow color. This is also in yellow color. Next, I have sunflower bookmark. I have tutorial for this project as well. You can check out my channel for the tutorial. I have one more sunflower keychain. And one sunflower hair tie. These are the leaves. And I have one cherry keychain. Next, I have this heart sprout. You can use this to secure your wires, or you can also use this in your headphones. Wrap it around and secure it. It will look good. And I have this heart, two heart. You can just use it as a clip or keychain, or add this in any of your project. I have tutorial for this as well in my channel. This is a ruffle heart. And I have this bow hair clip. I have tutorial for this as well. Mm, in last, I have this water lily in pink and yellow color. I have not finished this project yet, but this is a work in progress project. I will make clip out of it. It will look good. So this is it for today's video. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Happy crocheting. If you want tutorial for any of the product, just comment down below. So cute. This is the tulip hairband I have made.